Welcome viewers, here's how making money online with these following steps. Step 1, watch this short video. Step 2, like this video for appreciation. Step 3, comment some emoji. Step 4, share this video at least one of your friends and get in comments.
Here's one of the best ways that anyone can start making money online in 2022. You can make your own hours, create your own schedule, and start making income right now. Let me show you. Go to youtube.com and type in water sounds, and you will see that people are getting millions of views for posting nature sound videos. Some of these channels are making over $300,000 a month from ad revenue. That's insane. The cool thing is that anybody can do this. Go to pexels.com, type in water, river, or ocean, and download a video that you like. Next, go to zapsplat.com and find a sound that matches the video. Get an editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro and loop the footage and sound together to make a 3-hour video. Now just upload the video to YouTube and watch the views come in. The link in my bio has an even better idea.